Hey, once again, we're talking to the ladies and gentlemen from the National Eligibility Solutions. Don Chapin is with us. He's the president of that organization. And Patty Jackson is the CEO. And we're talking about long-term health care. And, you know, let me jump in with prevention for just a moment.
Okay, sure.
Let's assume the crisis has not occurred yet.
Mm-hmm.
Where do you people, can I come to you?
Absolutely. Actually, you know the old adage, Doug, is the best time to plan is when you don't need it, right?
Right.
And so that is what we would encourage your viewers and your families to know, is that when you turn 60 or 65, even if you haven't yet retired, is the time to really be looking at a plan to carry you through the next 20 to 30 years of retirement or the senior life.
Okay. Patty, where are you located? Let's get a location and a phone number and that sort
We're
of thing.
located in Dublin, Ohio. We're at 545 Metro Place South, Suite 100. And you can go to our website, which is www.trustnes.com, or you can call us at 1-888-682-3975.
Okay. And the point of it is either via the computer or through telephone call or visitation in person, we can get to you folks in Dublin.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And if it's necessary to have a telephone consult, we can do that. We like to meet with our families personally so they can assess us and
Sure.
we can understand their family situation. And so we make ourselves available to do that on a case-by-case basis.
Okay, I come in. Can you kind of give me the process of what's going to happen, what's going to take place?
Sure.
Patty, go ahead.
When you first come in, first thing we want to know is who we're talking about. Are we talking about mom, dad, or a spouse, or a child? And then we want to get right into the heart of it. You know, are we looking at in-home care? Are we looking at an institutional care? Are we looking at just assisted living? It's time to transition your loved one from home into an assisted living setting. And then we do an inventory of assets. We need to determine how are we going to pay for your new living style. Is there monies there to do that? We have a very candid but very honest conversation with our clients, because if there's no money to pay, you need to know that. We don't want to play any games or anything. We want to be very certain that we know how we're going to fund your new living style. And we find out what their goals are. Very first thing we want to know is what's the goal. Sometimes people may think that's a trap, but our goal is to find out how to meet your goals. So if it's important to leave a legacy for your children, we want to know what that is, and we want to see if it's possible. Sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. And we want to be very honest and upfront about that so that there's no reckless things done when someone leaves our office because they want to do things their own way and get themselves in trouble later. So we do a complete inventory of assets to the best of their knowledge. Typically, when a client comes in, we ask them to bring any of their legal documents that may have been prepared for Don as our attorney to review to make sure they have all the right language in there for our clients, and then we go to work for them.